Hi, welcome to Chasing Our Daydream with Jeanette. My husband has given me the passion and the dreams of traveling come true, whether it's a drive in the countryside close to home or a long, well-deserved vacation. I love it all, and I am sharing these adventures with you. In this episode, we're going to take Colorado U.S. Highway 55 from Ouray to Silverton. The winding U.S. Highway 55 is also known as the $1 Million Highway. It runs all the way from New Mexico to Colorado. The highway was built in the late 1880s, and it is one of the most spectacular drives in the United States. The $1 Million Highway section connects Ouray to Silverton. The $1 Million Highway is a breathtaking, scenic mountain pass that anyone traveling in the southwest Colorado area must see. This famous section of highway has breathtaking phenomena, steep, jagged mountains. There are several stories about how the road got its name, the $1 Million Highway. These include the legends that the road was made from $1 million worth of gold and silver mining tales. Another tale is a woman who traveled the road saying, "I would not travel that road again for $1 million." Another that the land was purchased for $1 million. However, the name came from a comment made at a planning meeting in 1921. At this time, the meeting was held to discuss plans to rebuild the highway. As the man was reviewing the contracts to rebuild the highway, one gentleman remarked that all the contracts added up to the figures very close to $1 million. In future comments, he began to refer to the road as this $1 Million Highway, and the name stuck. I don't think I could have driven that spot. we made it to Silverton. Thanks for riding with us, and we'll see you on the next episode where we take a drive of Silverton.